How to close N26 account. Follow the instructions. Log into your N26 account through the app or website. Transfer any remaining funds to another bank account. Cancel any active direct debits or standing orders. Download and save all your account statements for future reference. Verify that your account balance is zero. Navigate to the account closure section in the app or website. Follow the on-screen instructions to close your account. Confirm your identity if prompted. Provide a reason for account closure if requested. Physically destroy your N26 card by cutting through the chip and magnetic stripe. Dispose of the card pieces separately. Wait for the confirmation email confirming your account has been closed. Thank you for watching.